To install Paldi plugins, whether it's a trial or licensed version, first download the Paldi Component plugin provided by the Paldi team. Extract the folder, and then navigate to the Admin tab in Sisense. From there, go to File Management under Apps Configuration, enter the Plugins folder, and upload the extracted Paldi Components folder. In this case, we'll choose Replace since the Paldi components are already installed. Next, head to the Add-ons page to ensure the plugin build completes successfully and Paldi Components is enabled. Now, navigate to the Analytics tab and create a new dashboard naming it Paldi Space. Add a new widget and select Paldi Space from the Widgets drop-down. Inside the new Paldi Space widget, go to My Paldi Plugins. Here, you'll see all the Paldi plugins available to you, whether trial or licensed. For plugins with a status of not installed, click the info icon. This will launch the Paldi Updates Manager. You can install individual plugins or all available ones. Here, we'll install just one. After a few minutes, the new plugin will be installed. Refresh your browser, and you'll see the updated plugin status. Finally, return to the Add-ons page to verify that the new plugin is visible and enabled. The Paldi Space widget will assist you with everything you need for Paldi's plugins.